Well, guys, we did good. You know that hurricane Beryl, I think it was called, went about 200 miles south of us, which is fine. We didn't get the wind or the storms or the rain, but the waves came in. Oh, horrible. Made a mess of the beach. Check it out. We got some cleaning to do. Hugo, what are you gonna do? Run for your life!
Thank you.
Run for your life! Get out of the hurricane! You're crazy! You're crazy! Something wrong with these people. Something wrong with these people. Oh my God, it's pouring. So we are in the bands of this hurricane, but nothing really. Just gonna get some rain. We're very fortunate, and I feel really bad for the southern islands.
Another one is coming.